I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today we're making Mexican Crema. Eileen, what is Mexican Crema?
It's a thickened cream for spreading over tacos and nachos, burrito bowls, and even soup. It's really a simple recipe, but you need to start it a day ahead of time before you need it.
I want to make some Mexican corn, and crema is an important part of that recipe. It's going to be great. In order to make Mexican crema, first I have to make buttermilk. I do that by taking 1 cup of Cheri's HazelCream that's double strength. That means you only add 16 ounces of water to 1 portion cup. And I add to that 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm going to wrap it in saran wrap and let it sit out overnight. I'm going to cut this lime and squeeze some of the juice out, about a tablespoon. And just a pinch of salt. Eileen, come try my Mexican crema.
Thank you, Cheri. Perfect.
Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.